Each case board is structured to match your legal workflows. Caseflow comes preloaded with boards for USCIS, consular processing, EOIR, and FOIA. Each board has a unique column structure to capture the relevant information and groups to track your cases through various stages. Since John's case is an I-130, it will appear in the USCIS board. Tasks for new matter setup have automatically generated using the Templify app, so nothing gets missed. These tasks are assigned to the right team members with due dates, ensuring accountability. Your team can track all assigned tasks across cases using My Work, keeping everyone organized and on track. Another great feature is the case dashboard that gives you a bird's eye view of your firm's operations. See yourself working faster with Caseflow? Click the link below to schedule your demo today. Thank you for watching.